How do you know it's time to replace your old double glazed windows? Windows are changed for a variety of reasons. The main ones being 1. To reduce energy bills, 2. To improve your security, 3. To reduce noise levels caused by poor functioning or single glazed windows, 4. The current windows are just not keeping up with the styles and designs now available with modern profiles and colours, or 5. The current windows just require too much maintenance and function poorly. Generally, double glazed windows last a long time. However, if you do experience issues such as poor heat performance, it may be time to get them fixed or replaced. Drafts are a common problem in older windows and cause uncomfortable living conditions and an increase in heating bills. They mostly occur in windows where the hinges fail to operate properly, where the gaskets are poor or have broken down, or the window's just been fitted badly. Inefficient frames and older glass can perform poorly in terms of heat retention. If you find that the temperature in your home drops quickly after the heating's been turned off, this is usually a sign associated with inefficient glass. If the seal on the glass unit breaks down, condensation gets into the glass unit, resulting in misty or dirty looking windows. The seal can break for a number of reasons, mainly due to the age of the window, how it was manufactured, or how it was originally fitted. When this happens, the window's lost its efficiency and fails to perform as expected. So, can we fix it? Yes, we can, and you've got two options. If the frames and locks are in good condition, you can replace just the glass units, or opt to future-proof your home by replacing the whole window with a guaranteed energy benefit, superior locking systems, and a 10-year guarantee.